Hello everyone and welcome to Tally Technology videos. In this video, we'll explore how Tally Prime simplifies data exchange using JSON, a modern, lightweight format that makes sharing and integrating data faster, easier, and more reliable. We'll begin by learning how to export and import masters in JSON format directly within Tally Prime. Then, we'll switch to the developer's perspective, where you'll see how to send and receive JSON requests using Tally Prime Developer. In this video, you'll discover the new Convert to JSON TDL feature, how to use Tally Connector for live JSON interactions, how Tally handles empty fields and special characters. Finally, the difference between JSON and JSON-X responses. By the end of this session, you'll have a clear understanding of how JSON enhances integration and data exchange in Tally Prime. Let's start with something simple: exchanging data between companies using JSON. From Release 7.0 onward, Tally Prime allows you to export and import data, such as masters and transactions, in JSON format, a cleaner alternative to XML. Open Tally Prime Release 7.0 and open any company, let's say Brahma Enterprises. Click Export or press Alt-T. Select Masters. To export in JSON, click File Format on the right panel and select JSON, Data Exchange. Alternatively, open the configuration screen, scroll to File Format, and choose JSON there as well. Keep the default type as ledgers. The folder path and file name, master.json, are pre-filled, but you can modify them if needed. Once done, click Export. On your screen, you'll now see the exported JSON file, clean, structured, and ready to use. Next, let's import the same file into another company, let's say, Import JSON. Click Import or press Alt or select Masters. Select JSON, Data Exchange as the file format, browse and select the exported master file. That's it, the masters are imported instantly. With JSON, moving data between companies is now faster and simpler than ever before. Now that we've seen how JSON helps users exchange data, let's see how developers can use JSON to integrate Tally Prime with other applications. Tally Prime Developer introduces two powerful features for JSON-based development. 1. Convert to JSON TDL. 2. Tally Connector. Let's begin with Convert to JSON TDL. This feature automatically converts your existing TDL files into their equivalent JSON format. Simply right-click your TDL file, select Convert to JSON TDL, and check the saved location. You'll see that your TDL code has been neatly converted into its JSON representation, making it easier to visualize and prepare JSON-based requests. Now, let's explore Tally Connector, which enables you to send JSON requests directly to Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime Developer, go to Tools, Tally Connector, and configure your request. Unlike XML, JSON requests require a mandatory header section. Enter the correct URL, headers, and JSON payload. For example, let's send a request to export the balance sheet. Click Go, and you'll see Tally Prime return a well-structured JSON response instantly. You can also perform the same operation using tools like Postman for quick API testing. When sending requests and receiving responses, developers often face edge cases like empty fields or special characters. Let's see how TallyPrime manages these to ensure smooth and reliable integration. In JSON, empty fields are not exported by default. If you want to include empty fields, simply add the attribute. Export empty fields to yes in your report definition. This ensures all fields, even empty ones, appear in your export. Tally also makes it easy to handle special characters within JSON. You can use the function getMethodNameValue to correctly parse and process JSON strings containing special characters. Finally, JSON supports both GET and POST HTTP methods via the HTTP request action, giving you flexibility in your integration approach. Handling empty fields and special characters improves reliability, but TallyPrime goes one step further with JSON-X, a structured, human-readable format that enhances standard JSON. While JSON provides a standard data format, JSON-X ensures a structured and readable response that aligns perfectly with Tally's internal data models. As you can see on screen, the JSON-X response is more organized and easier to read compared to standard JSON. This enhancement ensures that integrations remain consistent across Tally versions while still supporting standard JSON for backward compatibility. So, whether you're building a new integration or improving an existing one, JSON-X gives you the flexibility and structure you need. And that's a wrap. You've now seen how JSON in TallyPrime Release 7.0 enables smarter, simpler, and faster data exchange, from exporting masters to sending live API requests, handling edge cases, and working with structured responses. To explore further, check out the developer reference section on TallyHelp, along with sample resources on JSON integration. Thank you for watching, and happy integrating with TallyPrime.